Hi guys, in this tutorial we will learn MySQL convert function and MySQL cast function. Both function are same. Cast function and convert function is used to convert one data type into the other data type, but there is the major difference between cast function and convert function. Cast function, it uses as for separating the parameter. Here you can see syntax cast in bracket expression as data type. That means we have to here just give the expression, and we have to express or we have to convert this expression into which data type. This data type we have to mention here. And in MySQL convert function, it uses comma or using for separating the parameter. Here you can see in convert function we use comma, and in cast function we use as. We directly see how it works into database. Both are same. Open your MySQL command line client. Here you can see select, then use convert in bracket. First is the expression and second is the data type, in which data type you have to convert this expression. First use your expression, then data type. Here as give the expression as date 2018 11:30. I have to convert this expression into date time. Here you can see we have to convert this expression into date time data type. That's why it returns this output. Again we will see the next example by using select command. Select convert in bracket here give expression. I have to convert these 4 to 7 numbers into unsigned data type. Here you can see I use data type unsigned, that's why it returns this number. Here you can see if you want to convert values into signed data type, you can use like this way. Select convert in bracket convert, specified the expression, then data type, comma data type. These are all examples of the convert function. In data type, date time, time, char, sign, unsigned, decimal, and binary. These data types which perfectly works on convert as well as cast function. Now we will see the examples of the cast function. The cast function in MySQL is used to convert value from one data type to another data type specified in the expression. It is mostly used with where, having, and join clause. This function is similar to the convert function in MySQL. And for that we have already syntax. We have already seen syntax for that. Cast in bracket expression as data type. Both expression as well as data types both are required. Expression, it is a value that will be converted into another specific data type, and data type, it is a value or data type in which the expression value needs to be converted. Now we directly see the examples. Select cast in bracket, give the expression. Here I again give the date. First give the year then month, and then day. I want to convert this expression into date. Here specify the data type. Date is the data type. Here it will return the output like this because I mentioned here the data type as date. We take the second example by using same select cast in bracket. Here I give expression 3 to 6 number as I want into signed data type. Here you can see. Now again we just here change the unsigned. Here you can see what is the difference. Here I mention the signed data type, that time it will return the -3, and when I mention the data type as a unsigned, that time it return this value. Again we can take another example. Select here you can see it returns the output 3.4 times 0. You can also use this cast as well as convert function on tables. It easily works on tables. Thank you guys.